programs in Java consist of what? Classes. So there might be tens of thousands of classes. A minimal program has only one class. All right. So what we've been working with all this while is a minimal program. When they say minimal, that means is the simplest form of a program. Is all right. Remember when I say let us write our first application, right? So this is the simplest form of program that you can ever have because it has a what? Only one class. So for each class, a separate file is created. All right. So the name of the file matches the name of the class. Does it make sense? Because this is the name of the class. That is why our file is named what? Main.java. All right. So let us go ahead to create a new class now. All right. So how do you create a new class? So come to file, hover your mouse on new. It opens up to this. Then select what? Java class. All right. So when you select Java class, this comes up. So just give your class a name. I'm just going to give my class a name now. Please, as I'm doing, also do. All right. So this
Java class.
All right. So this is my class. So once you're through, hit enter.
Created a new class.
And it
but
created
it doesn't
a
have
new
a method.
But it doesn't have a method. Very good. Very good. All right. So this is what my class. And the name of my class.
Us a warning by the side.
Okay, the yellow this thing, right? So this is what? A method. This is a class, and the name of my class is what? What do you guys name your class?
Java.
Okay, you named your class Java. All right. So this is the building on its own.
Sorry, Sam.
Yes.
Sam, what thing did you click on?
Okay. When you say what thing did I click on, what came out when I clicked it? Is it this? I just hovered my mouse here. Is this here?
No, for the.
Okay, for
where you start the drop down for the class.
Okay, come to file. File here. Then just hover your mouse on new. You don't need to click it. Just hover. Just move your mouse to new, and you see all this list. Then come down to Java class.
Okay, I've done it.
Have you done that?
Yes.
All right. So this class here is the building on its own, right? And I love the way the thing opens in different tabs. You can easily switch back and forth, right? You can easily switch back and forth. Now, when you now eventually move the whole of this, can you move this method? I just want you to just copy this method to what you have here, but let it be within the what? Class, all right? So just paste it and make sure that you close it up with its own what? Curly braces. Is that right? So has the warning disappeared? Yes or no?
Yeah, for me it disappeared.
Okay. What you need to do, if you want to know which curly bracket controls we, just click on the curly bracket. It will tell you what it's controlling. So click on the curly bracket. It will tell you what it's controlling. Is that right? So
wait, sir. Yesterday, the last class, you taught us how to write single line will I call it sentences or
like
when
to
we
write
ran the program.
Sorry?
When we ran the program, it had nothing to do with it. Like go to main.java, you see what I'm saying?
Okay. I'm here.
Yeah, we are here.
We are here. Okay, okay, this is a comment. This is a comment.
Yeah.
This is a comment. Yes.
So what's the use of it? Like,
use? You know, we said that day that a comment is just to tell you, okay, supposing as a programmer you don't work alone, or even you yourself, you can write in a line of code, then you want to take notes. Okay, so comments don't execute or don't run. They kind of help you to know what is happening at that particular time. All right. So that's why it's grayed out, but it's just like an info for you, the developer.